Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CR-V. We're talking about that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the PCM relay is located. This is the Powertrain control module relay. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find it, where to buy cheap relays and fuses, that way you do not waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So, before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do, just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means guys. But something else guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers guys. We have videos that helped more than 350 million people guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in once. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view guys of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So which relay you need to check guys now? Okay, for the PCM Powertrain control module, we will demonstrate on the 2015 Honda CR-V that we have right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working in one of them that's easy to access, and it's the one right under the hood. This is guys your engine. You have right here car battery. This is the fuse box. Remove that cover here, and once you remove it, you'll see that fuse box layout right there. This is the front of the Honda CR-V. This is towards the windshield side. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here now guys, which relay we need to check specifically. If you look at that guys, okay, you will notice that even if you check the manual or anything guys, you will notice that there is no relay for the PCM Powertrain control module, but you do have one. And if you look at that big thing right here, that's a multi-purpose relay for multiple things guys. It's a computerized relay, and one of the functions for that is for the Powertrain control module that you need to check. If you guys have any more questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.